Hey everyone, Marcus from Topic Tech, and today I've got another review for you. There are a lot of different gamepads on the market, some great ones and some just as bad. I've used various different brands and models. Many people pick up gamepads to play ROMs with, but recently there's been a surge in mobile gaming on smartphones, with many of the gamepads being designed specifically for smartphones and tablets. A lot of these gamepads are designed around inspiration from classic gamepads like the NES, SNES, and PlayStation controllers. In fact, there are even look-alike clones of a lot of those classic gamepads that connect through USB. My biggest problem with most of these is they lack the feel of those controls. Whether it be the weight or material or just the way the buttons respond, something has never felt quite right. Which brings me to the item I decided to review today. It's called the 8bitdo SNES30 Gamepad. Modeled after the SNES control, this gamepad is the closest thing I've found to the original's touch and feel. The buttons feel sturdy, and the build doesn't feel cheap. The weight is just right. But what really sets this controller apart from the others is all of the features it comes with. To start off with, it's Bluetooth, and it has the option to be used via USB with the included USB cable. The built-in battery recharges through the USB cable as well. The company 8bitdo Tech even releases firmware updates to ensure that the controller continues to work with newer technology and software updates. Quality and feel aside, the biggest selling point on this control is that it works with Macs, PCs, Android, and even iOS devices. Pairing the device is as easy as pairing a Bluetooth keyboard. Depending on what system you're using the controller with, there are different modes you can switch to. The included instructions and their website have a handy table to refer to depending on the OS you're pairing it with. Once paired, key mapping is extremely easy, as long as the program or game you're using makes it so. If you're a Mac user and are a big fan of OpenEMU, it works great. It feels just like playing an SNES. I haven't tried using the controller with the 4th gen Apple TV yet, but it's to my understanding that currently it is not supported as the 4th gen Apple TV uses MFI for the controller connectivity. In the hacker community, some people are working on a jailbreak for the new Apple TV, which would possibly open up Bluetooth gamepads, but jailbreaking Apple products isn't the route I've ever recommended going down. It's also not compatible with existing game consoles, so for those of you looking to use this on your Wii U to play the SNES games from the eShop, no dice. However, there are instructions included to pair it with the Nintendo Wii and Hyperkin Retron 5 consoles. If you happen to have two of these controllers and want to do multiplayer, the controller supports a dual keyboard code system. In simple terms, it allows two controllers to be paired to one device using different identifier keys. Again, Android users won't be able to do this. Battery life is advertised at around 20 hours, with a battery that is capable of over 1,000 charge cycles. It has an intelligent sleep system that automatically puts the device into sleep mode if no button is pressed for 15 minutes. The packaging is premium quality. You can tell that the team that created this really put their heart and soul into everything. The box contains a really nice matching USB cable, instructions, a promotional keychain, and a phone prop. It's these little details that add icing to the cake. This controller runs around $35 on Amazon, and sometimes $30 for Prime subscribers. At that price point, this makes a great gift for that gamer in your life. They even have other styles, ranging from NES, Famicom, Super Famicom, and micro-sized. I have to grade this controller at an A. I've never been so impressed with a third-party gamepad. From the build, quality, and feel of the device, to the functionality, price, and even the packaging, this control is hands down one of the best on the market. It comes highly recommended from me. If you enjoyed this review, please check out the other videos on our channel. We have reviews, how-tos, and tips and tricks. If you're a gamer, head over to the Topic Tech Gaming channel and check out our videos there. Be sure to like and subscribe, and as always, this was Marcus with Topic Tech. Thanks for watching.